This is I always wanted to do that. I still remember, like back 3 or 4 years ago, I thought and that one day I will create a YouTube channel. The niche of that channel will be English related content. So today I'm here with some English related content, and I know I'm not excellent in this language or someone who can motivate you. So I just distracted by my friends. He just went from this way. So let's come into the topic. So I was there like back 3 or 4 years ago. I hope that one day I will make a YouTube channel where I upload English related content. So today I'm here with not 100% of perfection, but with a faith and with a hope and confident that one day I will achieve the level which I always wanted to do, right? So it is it is evening, around 7 p.m. This is the view after a rainfall in my hometown Pithoragarh, and just look at the skyline. It is like very good, the orange clouds, the reflection of sunlight, and it already had sunset. And there is my village, and this is the another village. And right now I just completed my 6,000 steps. So hey everyone, this is Vijay and welcome back to my channel. So today in this video I'm going to share about all about my channel, what kind of content you are going to see in future, and what I will bring in front of you. So in this channel you will see the perception of my life, what I think, what I believe, what I have faced earlier, and what are my plans in future, and from which things I am suffering, which I am enjoying, and why I choose this language, and what is the reason behind this language to speak particular in this language on this channel. So you know what, since my childhood I have fond of this language, but somehow unfortunately I did not get that environment where I can learn this language. But from last 1.5 years I was learning this language, not regularly, not consistency. Whenever I got the time, whenever I thought I should have to learn this language, on that time I do some practices like listening, reading, writing, and the most important part is speaking. So recently what I found, like I'm lacking somewhere in my fluency. So that is also the reason I am creating this video right now, and I'm on the way to complete my 10,000 steps and on the way to go to my village from this route. Coming to the point, you know what I feel about, let's come into this topic. What I feel about this language, I feel very confident whenever I speak in this language, and whenever I am alone, I thought and I believe that I'm a very confident. But the thing is that whenever I have to face someone in public, on that time I became underconfident and I become hesitate a little bit. But I'm trying to overcome from this situation, and from like past 3 or 4 months I'm trying to overcome from this situation. And to be honest, I have seen the improvement on myself. So because earlier I was not able to record like in the openly, and whenever someone around me, I was like literally अटक जाता था, मतलब stuck in between conversation in this particular language. But right now these days I can manage, and I just need a little bit of confidence to speak in public. So I am looking for that environment too. So the first and the last option. This is the social media where I can enhance, boost my confidence. So let's come into the topic here. I have that habit that I can easily distract from the topic. So topic is all about my channel. So I hope you already got the point which I want to share with you, like what I feel like, what kind of person I am. I am a emotionally weak or strong. You will know in future in this channel when I will upload those videos, and what I think about people, it is a good or bad, that thing also, and what are my goals. I will not tell you all the goals, but some of the goals of course I will share with you, and so many things. You will enjoy my journey and I will also enjoy as well. And I also have a second channel where I upload my daily life vlogs, but the thing is that on that channel I was working since it has been around, I guess, 1 or 2 years since I am uploading the videos on that channel in the Hindi language, because my audience is from all over the India. So of course that reason is also for the to journey from introvert to extrovert, and now I consider myself as ambivert. Again, let's come into the point here. So this is what I'm going to share on my channel, and that's all for today, I guess, and it's time to wrap up this video. I hope you got my point, what I wanted to say. So, and please give it like, comment and subscribe, and if you find this video helpful, and if you also want to join me, so you can reach out through the comment sections. I will definitely feel happy if someone wants to be me in this journey, and I have seen that so many people do such kind of things. So without any further delay, let's wrap this session. I will see you in the next videos with some interesting content. So till then, take care, have a nice day, bye bye. And look, those mountains, these are the reason.